Castor oil may be a staple in your grandmother's medicine cabinet, but did you know that this versatile oil has been used for centuries for many purposes? From promoting hair growth and relieving constipation, to smoothing dry skin and reducing joint pain, the benefits of castor oil are practically endless. Whether you're a fan of natural remedies or simply looking for a multi-purpose solution for everyday use, castor oil might just be the answer you've been searching for. So let's dive into the fascinating world of castor oil and discover all the amazing ways it can improve your health and well-being. As always, you'll be getting a bonus towards the end of the video, and today's will be something quite out of the ordinary. I'll share an uncommon use that works great for our smiles later in the video, so stay until the end. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we'll talk about getting healthy, utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. Without further ado, let's get to it. The first use of castor oil we'll tell you about is as an arthritis remedy. Have you tried using castor oil to relieve your arthritis pain and discomfort? If you haven't, then you definitely should. This all-natural remedy has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it the perfect choice for massaging sore joints, muscles, and nerves. The secret is in the ricinoleic acid found in castor oil, which has been shown to advance the body's anti-inflammatory response and is a safe option for reducing arthritis pain. Try these easy ways to use castor oil for relief. Simply warm the oil and massage it into the skin over the affected joint for quick pain and inflammation relief. Repeat several times a day as needed. Another way to do it is to soak a piece of cloth in castor oil, place it on the affected area, and cover it with plastic wrap. Apply heat with a heating pad or hot water bottle for 30 to 60 minutes for long-lasting pain relief. Do this once a day and feel the difference. Next, stretch marks. Are you tired of trying every stretch mark remedy under the sun, only to be left disappointed with no visible results? Look no further than castor oil. This natural wonder is a powerhouse of diverse fatty acids, making it a superb moisturizer and an efficient treatment for eliminating unsightly striae, which is the medical term for stretch marks. Whether your striae are caused by pregnancy, sudden weight gain, aging, hormonal imbalance, or swelling, castor oil is here to save the day. Try this method to make your stretch marks a thing of the past. Massage a small amount of castor oil directly onto your stretch marks. Gently massage the oil into your skin in circular motions for a few minutes. Repeat this process daily and get ready to say goodbye to those stretch marks once and for all. Another use for castor oil is as a simple moisturizer. Castor oil contains high amounts of ricinoleic acid, which is a type of monounsaturated fatty acid that has skin moisturizing properties. It serves as an occlusive moisturizer that helps reduce water loss through the outer layer of the skin. Cosmetics manufacturers often add castor oil to their products, like lotions, makeup, and cleansers, to promote hydration. In addition, castor oil is used as a natural alternative to store-bought moisturizers and creams, as it is cost-effective and can be used on both the face and body. Compared to commercial moisturizing products, which contain preservatives, perfumes, and dyes that may irritate the skin, castor oil is a safer option. For some people, castor oil may cause them to experience an allergic reaction or skin irritation, so it's best to dilute it with another oil, like jojoba or coconut oil. It's important to test the combination on a small skin area first to assess skin tolerance before applying it to larger areas. Another use of castor oil? If you want healthier hair. This one's for the beauty gurus. Are you tired of using chemical-laden hair products that promise hair growth but never deliver? Well, look no further than castor oil. Ricinoleic acid in this oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And let me tell you, this oil is a game changer for promoting hair growth. Here's why. First, castor oil has moisturizing properties that can soothe a dry and itchy scalp. And let's be real, a healthy scalp is essential for promoting hair growth. Secondly, massaging your scalp with castor oil can also help increase blood flow to the hair follicles, which deliver essential nutrients to promote hair growth. But wait, there's more. Castor oil can even help to strengthen the hair shaft, which prevents hair breakage and split ends. And over time, this leads to longer, stronger hair. And the antimicrobial properties of castor oil? This means it can prevent bacterial and fungal infections on the scalp, which can lead to dandruff, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to expensive hair products that don't deliver and say hello to castor oil. Your hair will thank you. Next, increase immunity with castor oil. Are you looking for a natural way to strengthen your immune system and fight infections? Simple answer: castor oil. Research has found that castor oil can increase T cell count, which is a type of white blood cell, and in turn leads to ultimately triggering your body to produce more antibodies and effectively combat viruses, fungi, bacteria, and even cancer cells. Not only that, castor oil has also been found to improve blood flow, thymus gland health, and lymphatic drainage. Studies have even demonstrated that patients who use castor oil packs experience a significant increase in production of lymphocytes compared to those who use placebo packs. And you know what that means? Lymphocytes are the body's natural disease fighters, attacking external invaders like bacteria and other toxins. But wait, there's more. Did you know that the lymphatic system affects the digestive and circulatory systems too? That's right. Using castor oil can not only support your immune system, but also aid in digestion and promote detoxification. And if you're wondering how to take castor oil, it's easy. When ingested, castor oil is hydrolyzed by pancreatic enzymes in the small intestine, releasing beneficial metabolites such as glycerol and ricinoleic acid. There you have it, folks. If you want to boost your immune system, fight infections, and improve overall health, give castor oil a try. Another use for castor oil is as a natural laxative. Castor oil is well known as a stimulative laxative, which means it can enhance the movement of the muscles responsible for pushing waste through the intestines, facilitating bowel clearance. The Food and Drug Administration approves castor oil as a stimulative laxative, which acts quickly and is typically employed to alleviate temporary constipation or cleanse the bowel before medical procedures. So how does it work? Before we tell you, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that subscribe button for more content like this. It would really help our small channel grow, so we can make even more videos for you. With that, let's carry on, shall we? When you orally consume castor oil, it's broken down in the small intestine, releasing ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid found in castor oil. The intestine absorbs ricinoleic acid, resulting in a powerful laxative effect. Research has proven that castor oil can effectively relieve constipation. Studies show decreased symptoms in older adults, including less strain during bowel movements and a lower occurrence of feelings of incomplete bowel movements. Castor oil has also been found to be an effective bowel cleanser before colon capsule endoscopy. Though castor oil is safe in small doses, excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects such as abdominal cramping, vomiting, nausea, and diarrhea. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil as a remedy for constipation, as misuse can result in hazardous side effects such as electrolyte and acid-base imbalances, which could be life-threatening. Furthermore, castor oil is not recommended for long-term health concerns. Next, we'll talk about wound healing. Are you dealing with a wound that just won't heal? Then you may consider using castor oil to promote healing and prevent sores from drying out. When castor oil is applied to the wound, it can create a moist environment that can be helpful in the healing process. It is a key component of Venelax, a widely used ointment in medical settings to treat various types of wounds, such as diabetic ulcers, surgical wounds, burns, and pressure ulcers. Venelax has many benefits, including reducing odors, shielding wounds, and supporting healing by creating a moist environment. The main fatty acid found in castor oil, which again is ricinoleic acid, has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties that can aid in reducing inflammation and pain in people with wounds. Studies have indicated that ointments that include castor oil can be useful in treating different types of wounds. In a 2013 case study, an elderly man who was unable to tolerate other forms of topical therapy was able to heal an abdominal surgical wound by using a spray consisting of a blend of balsam of Peru, trypsin, and castor oil. It's crucial to note that castor oil-based topical wound treatments contain a mixture of ingredients, not just castor oil. And finally, menstrual cramps. Are you tired of those painful cramps that accompany your period? Well, have you tried using castor oil to help ease the discomfort? That's right. Castor oil has been known to be an effective natural remedy for reducing menstrual cramps. Just apply a small amount of castor oil to your lower abdomen and massage it in a circular motion for a few minutes. You can also place a warm compress on top of the castor oil to help it absorb more easily. Another way to use castor oil for menstrual cramps is by taking it orally. Mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a glass of warm water or juice and drink it once a day during your period. Not only can this help reduce cramps, but it can also improve digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Now, before we round off this session, as I hinted at the start of the video, I'll go ahead and share with you a lesser-known castor use that can be incredibly beneficial for those who have to use dentures. Did you know that there's a super cool way to keep your dentures clean and free from pesky bacteria and fungi? Yep, you guessed it. It's with none other than the magical castor oil. Here's the deal. If you don't store and clean your dentures properly, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi like Candida, which can lead to all sorts of nasty oral problems. But fear not, because castor oil is here to save the day. Castor oil has some incredible properties that can help kill off those nasty bacteria and fungi that love to call your dentures home. In fact, studies have shown that soaking your dentures in a solution containing just 10% castor oil for as little as 20 minutes can significantly reduce the number of Candida albicans, Streptococcus mutans, and Staphylococcus aureus present in your dentures. And that's not all. Using a castor oil-containing mouthwash can also improve clinical signs of denture-related stomatitis. So it's time to ditch those harsh chemical cleaners and hop on the castor oil bandwagon. What are you waiting for? Well, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment below so we can continue our conversation about this important topic in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you soon.